Come here. All right, class, please stand up. Go back to your seat. Stand in a line.
Standing line.
Make a circle. Good job, everyone. Work in pairs. Work in groups. Share your book. Help your friend.
Here, let me help you. Thank you.
Class, please stand up. Help your friend.
I'll help you. Thank you.
Stand up, please. Don't run. Walk slowly. Keep your classroom clean. All right, class, let's all stand up now. Pick up the paper. Very good, thank you. Throw it in the dustbin. Show me your work. Check your work. Correct your mistakes. Finish your work. Wait for your turn. Don't push. Be careful.